Hello everybody. Regarding the drugs and receptors, we have little bit confusions. So I want to clear that confusion via this video. So I hope this video is going to work. Well, let's commence our discussion. That is the drugs. Well, drugs are the chemicals that modify body functions. This very point that you must remember, that these are actually the chemicals that modify the body functions. The very important point you guys must remember. And what are these chemicals? Like example is they may be ions, carbohydrates, lipids, or proteins. So this is the very point again that is supposed to help you guys when you are asked about the examples of the chemicals. So question is, what is drug? You will answer a drug is actually a chemical. A drug is actually the chemical that is supposed to modify the body functions. Okay, so this is about the drug. Then if you are asked about examples, that give us examples, so you will say that there may be ions, carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins, in short. So, and if somebody asks that, so what do you know about the range? So you will say, yeah, I know about the range. They are actually size range from the very little, the smallest one, that is lithium, which is having the molecular weight 7, and it ranges to proteins having molecular weight more than 50,000. So I hope you got these 3 points. Number one, drug, its definition, examples, and size. Drugs, definition, example, size. Another interesting point that I want to tell you people regarding the receptors in this today's discussion is that most of the students, they don't know about this point. The point is, we know about this point that receptors are the specific molecules in the body, but we don't know about this very point that I'm going to tell you guys right now, is that enzymes that are affected by the drugs are considered as receptors. Guys, once I asked my student that what is actually the receptor, he gave me this particular answer is okay. This is okay for that receptors are the specific molecules in a biological system. It's okay. These are the molecules in the biological system with which the drugs are interacting, and then they are doing some kind of changes in the body functions. But what I asked was, what do you know about receptors? What are they? And what are they actually the specifically when I asked about enzymes? So what are they actually? Enzymes. So he gave me answers of literal answer that it is actually enzyme is actually a catalyst. It is doing a job in the blah blah blah. So in short, from now onwards, guys, don't be confused. Enzymes are also receptors. Whatever the drug is interacting in the body, that thing is called as receptor for the drug, whatever that is. Okay, so in short, receptor is molecule in the body, whatever that molecule is, whether it is enzyme or not. So in short again, in short, well, summing up our discussion in short again, that is all the substances, molecules in the body with which the drug is interacting, they are called as receptors, including enzymes. Okay, and regarding the drugs, I told you that the drugs have got a simple definition and simple examples and size. So I hope you got the entire discussion. For more, stay tuned with us and keep on supporting us on YouTube and etc platforms. etc, search us wherever you go and just search us. Inshallah, you will find a very small quantity of us thereby. Anyways, thank you for watching.